How to delete photos on iMessage on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete photos from iMessage on your iPhone. Now, this is super helpful if you want to clear up space or remove shared image from a specific chat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the message app on your iPhone. Now, once you have opened it, simply tap on the conversation that contains the photo that you want to delete. Now, simply find the photo, and once you have found that, simply tap and long press on it. And once the photo is selected, you can see the trash icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. So just tap on that, and after that, a confirmation message will pop up. From that message, simply tap on delete, and once you do that, the selected photos will be deleted from the chat. And that's it. That's how you can delete photos on iMessages on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.